Here are the 5 ingredients for painting a flawless flat wash in watercolor every time. Number 1, use a big brush. Number 2, mix more paint than you think you need. Number 3, tilt your board at an angle. Number 4, work fast. And number 5, don't mess with it. All right, let's slow this down and I'll show you in real time how to paint a perfect flat wash. Here I'm mixing up a generous amount of cobalt teal. This is a gorgeous granulating paint color by Daniel Smith, and I'm using a really big quill brush. This is a Princeton Neptune size 6 synthetic quill brush. I've completely filled my mixing well with pigment and water. The number one mistake beginners make when creating washes to cover large areas is that they simply don't mix up enough paint. Next, I hold my paper up at about a 30 to 45 degree angle. This will allow gravity to assist and help my paint flow naturally downward. With my brush loaded up, in fact, dripping with paint, I hold it with the bristles pointed downward and pull my brush along horizontally, creating a bead of watery paint along the bottom edge. You want to maintain that bead the whole time you're working, so just keep repeating this movement, working side to side all the way down as fast as possible. When you get to the end, you want to quickly dry your brush and use it to soak up any excess paint at the bottom. And then this is important, leave it alone. Don't mess with it. I know it's so tempting if you left any little spots untouched with paint to just go in and adjust, but any little adjustments you try to make will just cause blotches, trust me, so don't do it. Here's an example of a flat wash that turned out badly. My first mistake was using too small of a brush. My second mistake was that I wasn't tilting my board upright enough, so I never really had that bead of paint, which is so essential for each brush stroke to connect and blend smoothly. And my third mistake was that I just worked too slowly. The resulting wash is streaky, and you can clearly see all of my horizontal lines. Okay, let's do one more quick flat wash so you can see it again. This time I'm adding in more paint directly from the tube and mixing it into my puddle. This will create a darker version of my wash. Let's check to see if we have all the necessary ingredients for a perfect flat wash. Big brush? Check. Enough paint? Yep. Tilting the board? Oh yeah. Working fast? Definitely. And not messing with it? Yep, just leave it alone. And boom, perfect flat wash. Hey, if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more watercolor tutorials. It really helps me out as a creator, and thanks for watching.